Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own fidget spinner, because as you can see, all a fidget spinner really is ball bearings. And I opened one up just so you can see inside of a ball bearing. And when these ball bearings spin, they help the other ball bearings to spin so that they spin for a minute, right? As you can see inside how they spin, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to make your own fidget spinner, one that no one else has, alright? You can go online and order these by the dozen, alright? So, what you're going to need to do is get you some ball bearings like these, alright? I picked these up at the scrap yard in a big pile, and as you can see, they're nice and lubed up ball bearings. So what we're going to do is, we're going to wind up making one like this that I made, see? And that's a man-sized fidget spinner that you can sit there and play with. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for the next couple of steps, you will need either a stick, MIG, or TIG welder. You're going to need a welder, right? And you're also going to need 4 matching bearings. Alright, if you don't have 4 matching bearings, then you're going to have to probably do the double one like I did, kind of like the Batman one, where you got the bigger one with the smaller ones on the outside. And they work just as good, but the other kinds are much better there. As you can see, like there's another kind like that, and as long as you lube them up pretty good, as you can see, they spin pretty good themselves also. But we're going to go ahead and make the 4 kind like this. Alright, and this is the ones that I make for myself and my friends, so that we all have our own unique ones. And as you can see, they work great. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to need to do is get you a piece of metal, lay it down on a flat surface. That way, because it's hard to get a ground on these without it raising it up or tilting it or something, right? So we're just going to ground our sheet of metal so that these also be grounded themselves, right? So what you want to do is you want to take one, place it in the middle. Then you're going to take your other 3 right here. You're going to stick one slightly. You're going to do what I call Mickey Mouse. It's where you make the upside down Mickey Mouse ears and pretend that's the head and these are the ears, right? So get these 2 in place, and then you're going to take your 4th one and you're going to put it right on the top right there. So that'll give you a great pattern, right? So now all we got to do is tack weld here, here, and here. And once we tack weld that good, we're going to flip it over and we'll tack weld the other side. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and tack our pieces. Alright, that's one side tacked up. I'm going to turn it over now. Go ahead and tack the other side up. Now, when you're doing this, you want to be careful. You don't want to over weld, as so to say, is you don't want to get past where these black rubber inserts are, because that's where it holds your lubrication for the ball bearings. You just want to get the rims of these without it affecting the movement inside of these. Alright, so let's go ahead and tack this side up. Alright, so now both sides is tacked up, nice and solid. And what you're going to want to do is let that cool down before you start playing with it, because as you can see, it's smoking hot. Alright, so now that you got that cooled down, you're ready to pick it up barehanded now, and put your finger in right there. Alright, and enjoy your new fidget spinner that no one else has at the office or at school for your kid. You maybe make one of these for, or one of your buddies who has them that works in the office that likes fidget spinners. So see, no one else has this. You can build it at your home yourself. Everybody's going to be jealous of the size of it. Alright guys, that's another how-to video with Matt Waters. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.